Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. In this class, we will discuss about physical quantity. So, what is dimension of physical quantity? So, what is dimension of physical quantity? Basically, we all know that there are two types of physical quantity. First is base quantity, and second is derived quantity. So, and also know that we can express derived quantity in the form of base quantity. So whenever we express derived quantity in form of base base quantity, there is some power raised on base quantity, and that power is called the dimension of that base quantity in derived quantity. So actually the definition is the exponent of base quantity that enters into the expression of derived quantity is called the dimension of the quantity in that base. For example, velocity is equal we can write velocity is equal to displacement by time. So the in form of base quantity we can write displacement is equal to length, and in place of time is time. So the so we can say that the dimension of length in velocity is 1, and the dimension of time in the velocity is minus 1. Let's take another example. Force. You know force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we may write mass into mass, and velocity acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Or mass, again we can write velocity is equal to displacement by time, and this time is already here. So overall we can write mass into length into time to the power minus 2. So the dimension of mass in force is 1, the dimension of length in force is 1, and time is minus 2. So here we we so while writing dimension of derived quantity, we writing all letters of base quantities like mass, length, time, current is lengthy. So what we do that we use the symbols for writing for the base quantity. For example, mass, symbol of mass is m, length is l, and time is t, current is I, temperature is K, and luminous intensity is CD, number of mole is mole. So, so we can write the velocity is equal to L t minus 1. And one more thing I want to add here, that when we write in symbol form or another dimension of physical quantity, we include the whole expression in square bracket. Now for force is equal to ml t minus 2. Now one may ask that what is the dimension of temperature in velocity? So here we may see that there is no terms in temperature in dimension of velocity. So we may write this as velocity is equal to lt minus 1 m to the power 0 k to the power 0 I to the power 0 c to the power 0 mole 0. So we can say that the dimension of mass in velocity is zero, dimension of k is zero, dimension of current is zero. In similar way, luminous intensity, number of molecules. So for our convenience, we only write those terms that contain non-zero power. So I hope you all got it. Thank you.